Greetings, everyone. On this episode of Wrench with Matt, I'm going to be installing a bed step to make it easier to get into the bed of my truck. I'm no spring chicken. I'm over 50 years old, so getting into the bed of my truck is a little challenge for me. Just kind of get your knees up here. A little tough on the old knees. With a bed step, I can step right up on the step and get into the bed much easier than I'm able to, as this truck does sit a little bit higher. I love the fact this actually sits a little higher than my old truck, but it makes it a little bit more challenging for those of us with a few more cycles around the sun to get in and out of the bed. So the bed step will help there tremendously. Looking forward to getting it installed. Pretty straightforward installation. Let's do a quick unboxing and see what comes in the box. Warranty and support information. Installation instructions with pictures. Very, very nice. An installation video. You can scan the QR code to get that. Excellent. We've got the bed step itself. Mounting bracket. Got the articulating arm. There's several bolts and screws here. Looks like the step attaches here, the bracket attaches here, and the bracket will attach to the truck. Got three larger bolts. I believe these are 14. Some smaller bolts. I believe those are 12s. And then Allen screws that hold the step onto the bracket. We'll get this all assembled and we can attach it to the truck. Let's work on assembling the bed step before we mount it to the truck. This is a nice, heavy-duty, really beefy polymer step that goes on here. This attaches right over here with those three T25 Torx screws. Now I checked, and the holes that the screws go into do not appear to be tapped already, so we should simply be able to just drive this in. Use my driver here. I'll make sure it's aligned first. There we go, that should do it. Nice. Even with just the one screw, that's really solid. All right, I'll run the other two in. That's the only thing you need the T25 for. This bracket mounts on top, just like so. These take the 12mm bolts. Got my impact, so I can just run these down real quick. And the step is assembled. Now we just need to mount it to the truck. One quick recommendation: going to want to extend the step to be able to mount it to the truck. There's one bolt that you'll put on first that'll slide right in the slot here. That'll align here. Then there's another bolt down here. And then this one has a little bit of an elongated hole, just in case the fitment isn't quite perfect, but I suspect it will be with the quality of the Lexland Gear stuff I've gotten so far. Let's get it on the truck. This first bolt goes into this top left-hand hole right here on the frame. These ratcheting box end wrenches have been really nice. All right, we've run that a little more than halfway down, and the step slots in right over that bolt. Last one's a little tricky to get to, but it's right here. I'll give you a little better angle on it. Right up here. The step is now installed. Tucks up underneath the back bumper quite nicely. You just push down on it, drop it down. Very easy to just step right on. Much easier to get in the bed now. And to put it back up, you just push in. Done. Here in upstate New York, we get a lot of road salt, so I like the fact this is actually made out of solid aluminum, so it won't corrode like steel will. Other than that, very useful, going to help me in my back and my knees, and I really enjoy it. Looks like a great product. So glad I have it. I highly recommend it. I would put this on my top 10 list of mods to do to your 4th gen Tacoma. Great product, great step, love it. I'll have a link down in the description. Discount code Wrench with Matt, 20% off currently, but watch for their sales because that could jump to 25% off your total order. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next video.